Hi, Mama Bird. Do you have your babies yet? Let's check if she has her babies yet, Zoya. Oh my god, guys. One baby's out.
What? One baby's out?
2 weeks ago, we found eggs here, 2 eggs. And a mama bird right here. And after, I don't know if it's been 2 weeks or not. Probably 2 weeks ago. One baby's out. Oh my god, I'm so excited for her. Oh my goodness. And we let her use our car seat. And Pichojo, guys, move back. She must be scared. She went right there. And she was sitting on the eggs whole time. She didn't want to move. It rained and it was so cold. So we moved the chair this way so the rain.
No!
She could. So there is a baby right here. Oh my goodness. Aww. We let her have our car seat. Go see. Oh my god, guys, are you excited?
Yeah!
One baby came out.
And the other egg is still there. And the one baby out.
Yeah. Do you guys know if it's a boy or girl?
Girl.
Girl, why girl?
I know one. It's an egg.
Huh?
Emma.
Hmm?
It's a boy.
It's a boy?
Uh-huh.
Baby, so how you know it's a boy?
That baby is a boy.
How do you know?
Yes, I know the baby. Mama, I know.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. We should bring her food, okay, guys?
Uh-huh. Because when baby.
Let's go, Heather. Let's go.
No!
Let's go already. Mama is waiting for us to leave. Come. Let's go.